You know the only thing good about summer being over?
Back to school shopping!
Alright, homegirls, show and tell time. Let's see what you got.
Oh, cute earrings, Ghoul. Burberry.
Sweet bag. Is that the new bark snake hooks?
The John Mall Ghostier.
Ooh,
Bouille-Vou-Bou.
Cofana.
Sasquatchy. Cadaver.
Here you go.
Laguna, everything okay?
Oh, yeah. It's just... Well, I haven't heard from Gil all summer. I'm worried about him, you know?
Well, don't be worried.
He's probably just busy.
Wow, I bow to your superior shopping abilities.
As much as I love people bowing to me, none of this is for me.
What?
It's all for my sister, Nefera.
I can't believe she's still blackmailing you for the party.
Believe it. She makes me wait on her hand and foot.
Your sister's so mean.
My gorgeous, perfectly shaped ears are burning. I don't mind when people talk about me. It's when they stop talking about you that you have to worry. Well, well, well. Very nice. I want them.
What?
I want all this.
No way!
Fine. Then I'll just tell my father about Cleo's huge party when he was out of town. He may only ground her for a year.
You win.
That's it. Here, according to your watch, I mean my watch, I'm going to be late for the salon. I'll be back. Miss me?
I don't think I've ever met someone as low down and despicable as Nefera.
Just when you thought our day couldn't get any worse, Toralei and her girls are back.
She's gonna be gunning for us.
We've got bigger problems to deal with, like stopping my sister.
Yeah, I got more shopping to do, but forget it. Nefera's just gonna take it anyways.
Did you see that Nefera's back in town? She's always wearing the new trends weeks before anybody else. Let's go see what Nefera buys, so we can steal her look.
Let's go shopping.
What's going on? You all look ridiculous.
These are the hottest trends of the season. They're in all the magazines.
We're the first to wear them. They haven't even seen them here yet.
But being a world-famous model, you already knew that, didn't you, Nefera?
Of course I knew that. I was merely, testing you.
Please, don't take these from us.
They can't be replaced.
Hand them over. I can pull off this look. You guys, not so much.
You're absolutely right.
Now, I think I'll walk around the mall and bask in all the jealous looks I get. Ta-ta.
Nefera's never going to be able to show her face in the mall again.
Oh, my raw! This is the best day of my life.
Just when you thought this day couldn't get any better. You look hot.